Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing and installing and testing the UGREEN SSD M.2 NVMe PCIe USB 3.2 Gen 2 10 gigabit UASP enclosure. This enclosure is compatible with a variety of M.2 SSDs, including the Samsung 980 Pro, Western Digital Black SN850, and Kingston KC2500. Let's start by unboxing the UGREEN enclosure. The enclosure comes in a small box with the UGREEN logo on it. Inside the box you will find the enclosure itself, a USB-C to USB-C cable, a USB-C to USB cable, and a screwdriver. Also, this rubber protection in order the case doesn't slide from the table. Okay, also a thermal pad to be installed inside the enclosure. So installing the UGREEN enclosure, it's very easy. First you need to open the back of the case. So you just need to remove one screw so all the details about this case will be in the video description. I will also leave the links for the UGREEN case, also for the SSD NVMe that I'm using right now in this test, which is this Western Digital Black NVMe. And just to say that I just received another NVMe SSD enclosure that I'll also be doing the review of, unboxing and installation. I will use also this solid state drive in order to see if there is any difference using one case or the other. So the one that I'm talking about is from AliExpress, and this one is from Amazon, branded UGREEN. Okay, so we have the solid state drive NVMe non-volatile memory express out of the package, so it's ready to be installed. So make sure you align the notch and then gentle press in, and then you just have to secure it with the black plastic that comes inside. There is one extra to keep in case you just lose this one. Okay, then the thermal pad, so we just need to remove the plastic in order for it to stick on top of the solid state drive. So if you don't know, NVMe solid state drives, they go really high in temperatures. That is why the case, it's really important. It needs to be aluminum to be able to spread the heat. And okay, so making that it will not stop, because if the temperature goes really high, it will stop working. Okay, so this is the case totally assembled. Now you can select from two separate cables, and really easy. So I will be doing the test on a Mac Mini M4 that I just purchased. So I ordered the cheaper version, so the one that comes with the internal SSD of 250 gigabytes, and really fast. On the first 2 days it was full and I was unable to do anything. So if you buy the 250 gigabytes, for sure you will need to buy an external solid state drive. So if you do it, go for NVMe. They are really faster than normal M.2 NGFF. Okay, so this is, I have partitioned my solid state drive in a container and one partition for Windows file. So if I want to take this solid state drive to my Windows machine, I'm able to read from that partition. And I also installed macOS Sequoia, so as a backup. So if I want to boot from that drive, I will be able to do it. So first we will check the disk speed test from the internal drive. So this is the internal drive, so the 250 gigabytes, and the video is faster, okay, for in order not to be so long. Okay, so I'm taking a print screen of the writing speeds and read speeds, and this one I will call internal. So, and then I will do the same test for the external NVMe solid state drive. Okay, so if you are interested to do an installation on a external solid state drive, I will be doing a video of that installation that I did there. So if you want something similar, you can watch the video. It will be uploaded really soon. It will be probably the one next to this one. Okay, so as you can see, this NVMe, it's also really fast, but not so fast as the internal NVMe. So you are also able to edit video until 12K, not in all frame rates, but rather it's also really fast. It's not so fast as the internal one. Just saying that I'm using the USB on the back of my Mac Mini M4, and this is the speed that I got. Let me know what you think about the UGREEN case. If you are going to buy one, check the links below. I will leave the link for this solid state drive case. I also will leave the link for the NVMe disk. If you want to check something, please check the video description. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Catch you on a new one.